Hi everyone, Dr. Victoria Scarbo here. I'm in the garden that Michael's building. There's Michael right there.
Hello.
So he's going to give us a little, I'm going to ask him questions as I walk through the garden just to kind of get you an idea of what we're doing here. So let me see. Oh, cool. I did it. All right. So Michael.
So around the outside, we have the pumpkin holes, and they're all ready to go. They've been dug and amended.
What do you amend the soil with, Michael?
This has some of the garden soil from our other garden and from the compost pile that's been there forever.
Right.
And the bagged composted manure that you bought.
Composted manure. We've used chicken manure too in these situations, right? We have a friend who's got some chickens. Whoever.
Bunny, whatever.
Any kind of. We used to have bunnies. Just, well, because I love bunnies, but also for their poop. And you don't have to compost bunny poop. That's the nice thing about bunny poop. Most of the other things you compost. You have to, most of the other manures you have to compost. So
the two beds in front of you are the pepper beds.
So these are pepper beds. Why are you separating them from the other things?
Well, they need to grow in their own spot.
Right. And over here.
So in here, we did a layer of sand, and then we put the same mixture of the soils, the three soils,
right, on
top.
The magical number 3.
Right.
Okay.
So then on your left are the corn beds, and they just have so far the layer of sand.
Okay.
And that's basically the soil that was under our feet.
Right.
It was good soil mixed with a bunch of sand.
Right.
They love that stuff.
Corn loves that sandy stuff, and the corns, the corn and the peppers. They have different needs, right?
So the peppers and the pumpkins like peat moss, so that's in the mix.
Yeah.
But the corn doesn't. The corn likes it a little sweeter, so we're not using any
peat moss.
Just going to get. Now that's that same stuff, right? So it's the stuff from the garden plus the compost pile.
Right.
And then I don't have much of the manure left, so I'm going to just use it where I need it instead of mixing it and spreading it.
Right. And when you plant the plants, right? Do you put anything? Don't you put like something called Super Thrive in it?
Yeah, so that's good for transplant shock and for growth. It's like a hormone, and they will also get organic food.
Yeah.
And then we have the fish and seaweed emulsions, which we'll mix and then water them in with those as well.
So that's what's going on here at the seeds. I know you guys want to know how Michael's garden grows, so I'm going to keep you posted on that. It's real windy here today, so you'll have to excuse my. Yeah, thank goddess is right. He's been working in this heat. God bless him. I don't know how he does it. I watch him and I want to take a nap. So I've watched you for a little while, so I'm going to go take a nap. And keep your eyes peeled. Owner and I are doing moon shadows today, so it'll be on later today probably. Have yourself a great day, guys, and I will keep you posted on what's going on here in Gilligan's Garden. That's what I'm calling it, Gilligan's Garden. Does that make me the skipper? I'd rather be Marianne. I'll be Marianne. Okay. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Namaste.